Part of the City Hall renovation is the renovation of Market Square, which holds the Old Town Farmers Market. The 100 block of North Royal Street from King Street to Cameron Street, as well as Tavern Square courtyard. There's no way a customer could miss where the market is going to be located. Where they're going in the temporary market is directly adjacent to where they are now and have been for the last 270 years. What they'll see is a different arrangement, but the same vendors. So vendors may be located in different spaces than they currently are, but they will be there. We will have parking available at Tavern Square, as well as the courthouse garage, which is directly across the street, as well as on the street. So Pitt Street, Cameron Street, and all the streets surrounding Tavern Square. We're really looking out for not only the customers that frequent the farmers market, but the vendors themselves. We want to make sure that we bring their customers, make sure their customers know where they are, so they can continue to thrive and the market can continue to thrive.